Right now it's stage number 1, the alkaline cleaner. As you can see, it's going to take 360 degrees of the profile and inside the profile as well. That's our Alu 40 right there running the track, and we put a little GoPro on it to show you action from the inside as well. So traditional powder coating does not have this kind of performance. Traditional powder coating are just going to clean it with acetone or acid finish or an aluminum degreaser, and then from there they're just going to electrostatic the process and go into the oven. On a 7-stage architectural powder coating is what you're seeing here. There's a big difference for the longevity of your profile. So that's going to make your powder coat attached to the aluminum the correct way for the highest performance. So we got stage 1 done. Stage 2 is rinsing. Stage 3 is another acid rinse. And now we're going into stage 4, zirconium coating converter. That's going to make sure that powder is going to attach with full force into the material. So here, let's run that down. That's your stage 1. Stage 2, rinse, alkaline, acid rinse. Number 4, zirconium conversion coating. That's gonna make sure that powder attaches, as we said. So we ran the 5 stages. Number 6 is DI water. And then now we're gonna have the non-chrome seal. That's your final stage. Now your aluminum is ready for powder coating, correct? So that was the 7 stages before we even put the application of the powder into your product. So when you're getting an Alu Globus powder coating, you're getting the 7-stage architectural pre-treatment, then you're getting the powder coating architectural way. And that's how our powder coating, Tiger, Cardinal, we can give you that AAMA 2604 plus the super durable and the architectural stamp on it, because now that aluminum is 100% ready. And even the GoPro is ready to go into the powder coat. We want to show that shots from inside. So when we say USA made, we mean it. And when we say we're using the best powder coating, we mean it because we prove it. So when you're getting your aluminum from us, you have confidence and you know what you're getting. This is our Alu 40, that's our camera. Now we're going into a preheat where we're gonna dry the material from inside out. Then we're gonna be ready for the application of your powder. And we'll show you that on the next stage. This is our facility for powder coating. This is how it's done. USA. I love saying that because that's where we are. And now you're able to do any color you want. We got Tiger, we got Cardinal. We have a couple more brands that we work with. Architectural grade, marine grade if you would need, if you're next to the ocean. And if you're a customer or you're a customer watching our video right now, now you're to be able to do any color you want and know that the process that's been done for it is the correct process for the industry. Let's move on to the next stages. So the profiles finished the 7th stage. Now we're coming up into our primer. If we need to prime the material, this is where it's going to be done. After the preheat, it's going to go into a primer and then into a smaller oven. Then from there, we're going to keep rolling into the real big oven where we're gonna powder coat official color. That's our profile right there coming up. And this is how it's done. This is from inside. Obviously the ovens are not on right now. We're doing a demonstration because if not, I'll be fried. But this is the primer section. Here's our profile. It has all the chemical washes, everything that needs to be done to it with the zirconium. Now we're ready for powder. If this was gonna be primed, it's ready for primer. If the oven was on, this will be completely dry from inside out, and the camera will be demolished. So now we're gonna go into our mini oven and go from there. So come after me, we're running the oven. This is our mini oven. We have one more big one. If this is not on right now, if it's on, it's about 400 degrees. So the powder we can attach into the aluminum. Okay, so we did the 7-stage architectural. We went through the preheat, and now we're in the spray booth, final stages where we take that powder, electrostatic that powder so it can attach into the aluminum. And we're doing it from 2 phases. One sprayer on this side, another sprayer on the other side. We're doing demonstration. That way we know we're getting that 360-degree coating. There's your powder going. But this is how it's done the right way, the USA way. This is what gives us the capability getting into that custom colors. So this is your grounding machine, and what that's gonna do, it's gonna ground that powder so it attaches to the aluminum firm and stick right on it. So when it goes into the oven, we know we didn't miss anything, any point. This is where Alu Globus gets that step ahead. We have all the full control, the full quality control from A to Z, getting you the finest products from aluminum gates, fences, wall cladding, or pergola systems. And you know you can count on the factory you're dealing with. So there you go. We're running into the final stages. A sprayer from your right, a sprayer from your left, 25 feet, compartments. And then here we inspect with this LED that we went over everything and we didn't miss anything. Now we're going into our oven, 400 degrees. One of the biggest ovens in the United States, 110 feet long. And that's what you want. You want to know that all your product is fully cured, fully baked into the product to get that final result, that Al Globus result. If you see that sticker on the product, you know what the product went through to get to your doorstep. So that's the last process, and we'll meet the product on the other side to see the final result. Now we're in the inspection room and the cooling room. We're gonna inspect all the pieces, make sure everything came out the right way, and we're gonna have it cool down so we can able to take it off the hangers and wrap it and get that all packaged very good. That is the difference between traditional powder coating and 7-stage architectural powder coating, Al Globus powder coating. We're one of the only ones who do this in the entire United States because this process, not everyone has. So if you're able to buy 7-stage architectural, you want to buy 7-stage architectural because we just proven why. Traditional powder coating, it's going to be just an acid wash or just a cleaner, and then they put it into the spray booth and powder coat. Completely different scale, completely different finish, and the warranty of the companies of the powder coating will not be able to give you that architectural grade. The powder companies, the companies that create the powder, going to be able, if you're choosing an architectural finish, you'll be able to get that without a Globus architectural process. So this was a demonstration about the 7-stage. Hope you learned, hope you scale. Get the scalable company, Al Globus. Get the fine finish with Al Globus for your aluminum gates, fence, wall cladding, and patio covers. Now you know we're able to do any size because we proved it for your patio. Custom colors. See you on your next project. Get your quotes out with Al Globus. Send us your sizes, your measurements. We will 2D, 3D your project, give you your quotes, give you exactly what part you need, DIY Universal or HD contractor line, and get your projects out the best way, 7-stage architectural way, USA way, the right way, Al Globus.